Hey friends, now Google Chrome has its own font size here, but a lot of people think that this font size is too small, especially if you have visual disorders or you have hypermetropia or with age, or even in general you find it small. So in this case, you can change the font size for Google Chrome as follows. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings from the menu. Now go to the appearance tab on the list on the left hand side. It is usually the fifth option, but it may change with simultaneous updates. Now in the font size section, you'll find that this has been adjusted to medium. You can change it to large, you can change it to very large, and as you can see now, it is visible even better. You can see that now it is way better than it was before. It is much bigger. I hope this was helpful. And if yes, then please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.